Welcome back to 50 Car. Born from the soul of rugged endurance and reimagined with futuristic prowess, the 2025 Hummer H5 concept is a beast sculpted for dominance. A perfect fusion of military-grade toughness and eco-conscious innovation, it stands as a testament to Hummer's evolution into the electric era. Exterior design, a bold statement. Step by step, the front grille commands attention with its illuminated slats, echoing power with every flicker. The headlamps, slim yet intense, carve through the night like blazing swords. The body contours, a fusion of sharp creases and muscular wheel arches, project sheer aggression. A high ground clearance and reinforced underbody armor scream off-road supremacy. Pros: striking, modern, and undeniably imposing. Cons: bulkier than rivals, limiting city maneuverability. Interior and dashboard, a sanctuary of strength. Inside, the dashboard boasts a 16-inch digital interface, seamlessly merging navigation, entertainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. The seats, crafted from premium eco-leather, offer both luxury and resilience. Ambient lighting and panoramic glass roofing add a touch of sophistication. Pros: spacious, tech-loaded, and supremely comfortable. Cons: the high-tech interface may overwhelm traditional drivers. Performance: electrified fury. Beneath the hood, the quad-motor setup unleashes 900 horsepower, launching the H5 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. An adaptive air suspension system ensures smooth transitions across terrains, while a 600-mile range on a full charge surpasses many competitors. Pros: staggering power, long range, and top-tier off-road capabilities. Cons: expensive battery replacements and limited fast-charging infrastructure. Market position and driving experience. Priced at approximately $110,000, the H5 targets adventure enthusiasts aged 35 to 60. It rivals the Tesla Cybertruck and Rivian R1T, yet maintains its Hummer DNA, unstoppable and untamed. With a 5-year warranty and optional performance upgrades, it's built for those who demand extreme capability. Final verdict: a trailblazer with few weaknesses. The 2025 Hummer H5 concept is a masterpiece, combining brute strength with refined intelligence. It's the ultimate machine for those who refuse to compromise.